What are you guys up to this morning? It's Monday, and this weekend was kind of shitty. I had to rearrange the entire workshop here again to make room for more seeds. I needed a whole nother 8-foot table to hold seed trays, so I had to conjure that up. Plus side, we did get some finished projects. So here's a birdhouse we worked on here. Little patio lawn furniture up there. My wife did all the painting. Little cobblestone walkway. Isn't that awesome? Then there's going to be 2 steel brackets here to mount it to a tree. But check that out. Isn't that awesome? Beautiful birdhouse. And then, oh, almost fell. I finished the table. Look at that table. It's a council table for next to a couch or a hallway. Came out pretty decent. I like it. This is cherry. And boy, does it shine. I like it a lot. Look at that shine. So it came out pretty well. I'm glad it's done though, because that was kind of a process. For such a simple little table, there's actually quite a bit to that. But we have moved all the sanding stuff, and the table saw is over here. I mean, you can see I haven't filled them all up yet. These are all going to be bulbing onions over here. Those are all green onions, and those are flowers over there in the domes. But I needed room, so here we are. Excited that this is done though. It came out pretty nice. So that's what we've been up to. Here's a glimpse of the next project. This is going to be a hanging swing. These nice no, these aren't vintage. These are antique cast iron bench ends, and I'm using this 50-inch piece of black walnut. If you look, it's kind of got an ass curve in it, so I thought that this would make a perfect bench. So today, that's what I'm going to be doing. I gotta clean the bark off, sand her down to smooth. This thing's going to get sliced up into 2-inch, maybe 2.5-inch slices, and they're going to get mounted in the mounting holes here. So hopefully by the end of the week, we should have a beautiful cast iron hanging porch swing. So that's what we up to. With that being said, happy farming, y'all. Later.